The Imagebon new 11.4 H70 Pro for QLED ADAS Dash Cam is a revolutionary device that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to enhance your driving experience. This all-in-one car stereo system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced driver assistance system ADAS, for QLED display, GPS navigation, and loop recording, making it an indispensable tool for modern drivers. The H70 Pro boasts an 11.4-inch 4K QLED display, providing crystal-clear visuals for navigation, video playback, and more. Its loop recording function ensures continuous video capture, automatically overwriting older footage to save storage space. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the RoadCam app to view and play back recorded videos anytime, anywhere. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with the H70 Pro's Bluetooth connectivity. Stream music wirelessly, listen to real-time radio, or connect to your car's speakers using the AUX cable. The FM transmitter feature allows you to play audio through your car's speakers, ensuring high-quality sound for every journey. The H70 Pro comes with an external GPS antenna, providing accurate time correction, vehicle speed display, and recording of speed, coordinates, and track. Use the RoadCam app to control the device, play back videos, and access additional features. The built-in Wi-Fi ensures seamless connectivity and easy access to your data. The H70 Pro is compatible with most cars and supports 1224V car DC voltage, making it suitable for cars, taxis, and trucks. It includes two mounting options, a suction cup mount for flexible placement and a 3m mount for stable positioning. Installation is quick and easy, allowing you to start using the device right away. The Imagebon new 11.4 H70 Pro for QLED ADAS Dash Cam is the ultimate all-in-one car companion, combining convenience, safety, and entertainment in one sleek device. Whether you're navigating through city streets or ensuring your safety with ADAS features, the H70 Pro delivers exceptional performance. Upgrade your driving experience with the H70 Pro and enjoy a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable journey.